Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our quick guide on fixing that annoying blinking issue with your Roku Express. If you've noticed your device blinking on and off, especially in 2025 with the latest updates, don't worry. We're going to walk through some simple steps to get it back up and running smoothly. First off, this problem often stems from software glitches, power issues, or even loose connections, but the good news is, most fixes are straightforward and can be done at home. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Unplug your Roku Express from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. This simple restart can clear temporary glitches. Plug it back in and see if the blinking stops. If that doesn't work, move on to checking your connections. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your TV and the Roku device. Sometimes, a loose cable is the culprit. Next, let's address potential software problems. Go to the Roku home screen if you can access it, navigate to Settings, then System, and select System Update. If an update is available, install it. Roku frequently releases patches that fix blinking issues. If your device won't stay on long enough, try using the Roku app on your phone to update it remotely. If the problem persists, it's time for a factory reset. This will erase all your settings, so back up any important data first. To do this, press the home button 5 times, up arrow once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice on your remote. Your device will reset. Fingers crossed, that solves it. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Roku support through their website or app. They offer great troubleshooting help and might even replace your device if it's under warranty. There you have it. Easy fixes for a common problem. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.